The story begins with the relatable picture of everyday struggles with money. Most of us live paycheck to paycheck, overwhelmed by bills and unplanned expenses. The idea of saving, let alone growing wealth, seems like a distant dream. We've accepted it as normal life. But deep inside, there's a longing, a dream of financial freedom, the ability to take control of our lives and escape the cycle of financial struggles. What if we told you that this cycle isn't your destiny, that the habits keeping you in this financial rut can be broken, and a wealthier, freer life awaits? This video is your call to adventure, to identify 15 habits that may be silently keeping you poor, and how you can transform them into powerful habits for financial success. No hero ventures alone. In this journey, we'll guide you step by step, providing practical insights, strategies, and motivation. Think of this video as your mentor, helping you uncover the secrets to breaking free from these habits. Grab a notebook. It's time to take control of your financial future. The journey begins as we identify these 15 habits. Each one is a stepping stone toward understanding the mindset shifts and actions you need to embrace. Taking bad money advice from unsuccessful people, many rely on advice from friends or family who may not have achieved financial success. Seek mentors and experts who have walked the path of financial growth. Gambling and relying on the lottery. Millions dream of instant wealth through gambling. Focus on consistent, calculated efforts like investing instead of luck. Spending money on wants instead of needs. Overspending on non-essentials leads to financial strain. Prioritize needs and create a realistic budget. Not tracking expenses. Most people don't know where their money goes. Start tracking every penny to identify leaks in your finances. Spending money. You don't have credit cards, make overspending easy and debt inevitable. Adopt a cash-first approach and avoid debt traps. Trying to keep up appearances. Many spend to impress others, leading to financial stress. Live for yourself, not for societal validation. Now comes the hard part. Implementing these changes. Habits are tough to break and temptation is everywhere, but every step you take, no matter how small, leads you closer to financial freedom. Here are more habits and their solutions. Having only one source of income, a single income stream, is risky. Start a side hustle or explore passive income opportunities. Wasting time and money on unproductive activities. Hours spent on mindless entertainment drain resources. Redirect time toward learning skills that increase earning potential. Thinking short term. Instead of long term, immediate gratification can derail financial planning. Set clear, long term financial goals. Not learning how to invest. Fear or ignorance keeps people away from investing. Educate yourself about investments and start small. As you continue making changes, the resistance builds. The old habits try to pull you back and setbacks may arise. But remember, every challenge is a lesson. Engaging in unhealthy habits. Poor health habits lead to financial strain. Invest in a healthy lifestyle. It pays off in the long run. Participating in get-rich-quick schemes. Quick wealth promises often lead to losses. Focus on sustainable, proven methods of wealth building. The pivotal moment comes when you feel stuck. You've made changes, but progress seems slow. You question if it's worth it. Remember, this is the turning point. Push through, and the rewards will follow. When you overcome these habits, you gain more than just financial stability. You gain freedom, confidence, and the ability to live life on your terms. Believing you are not capable. Doubt holds many back. Affirm your capability and take consistent action. Not taking responsibility for your financial situation. Blaming others or circumstances keeps you powerless. Own your financial journey. Limited versus unlimited output. Sticking to work with limited scalability caps your potential. Seek opportunities to scale your efforts and earnings. Breaking these 15 habits transforms your life. You're no longer just surviving, you're thriving. Your financial health improves, and with it, your confidence and opportunities. As you return to daily life with new habits, share your journey with others. Inspire them to embark on their financial transformation. You've built a life of financial freedom and abundance. The habits that once held you back are now replaced with empowering routines. The journey concludes, but the lessons last a lifetime. You've proven that change is possible and the rewards are worth it.